Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for FabFitFun. Now, if you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. So you can get personal accessories like handbags, scarves, even some clothing items. You get a lot of skincare, a lot of makeup choices. They have add-on sales to the box. And this is a seasonal box. So you get it 4 times a year. It is $49.99 for each box. Or if you prepay for the entire year, which is like $200, then the price of the box goes down to about $45. And let's see, you can get all kinds of fun things. You can boost your box. They have a refill program. They have add-ons, and they even have a store where VIP members can get really good deals on products. Now, you do get to customize. If you are a seasonal member, meaning that you pay just 1 box at a time, then you get to choose 4 out of the 6 categories. But if you're an annual member, you get to choose every product that goes in your box. Now, I missed customizations. I completely missed it. I was out of state. I was really busy. So this is going to be a big surprise for me based on the profile that I've set. So let's see what they've chose for me this time. Okay, here we go. Isn't the box cute with all these like ice cream things on them? Very cute for summer. And there we go. We've got a magazine. Let me make sure nothing's behind the box. Okay. So we have the FabFitFun magazine, which used to have, you know, everything listed like in the front pages and tell you about your products, but now it isn't quite so easy. They have a lot of makeup tricks, tips, they have recipes, they have schedule of events for FabFitFun. So there is a lot of good information in here. Do I read it? I glance through it. I don't like read it cover to cover. I'm more interested in the products that I have in this box. Oh, here we have some fun stickers. Nice summer stickers, and then pass this along to a friend who will love FabFitFun. There you go. $15 off your first box. Now, I can also give you a starter box for $5. If you're really not sure that you want to commit to FabFitFun, you can get a starter box for only $5. That's just shipping. And they'll pick a few things out for you and send it to you. But you have to cancel before it renews. Like 3 weeks or 2 weeks, they'll charge you for a box. So you've got to cancel right away. So you got to keep an eye out for that. Put that on your calendar. Okay. And then we have drink wine, $40 off daily harvest. If you want to take advantage of that. Ooh. So I've pulled it up on the screen what is inside my box, but I haven't like really looked. So it's still going to be a surprise for me. First thing right out of the box, Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel, SPF 30. Oh, good. You know, it's pool season now, so I've got to make sure that I take care of the SPF. So that's what that is. Let's read about this. This values for $36. It is a broadband spectrum sunscreen that provides skin with daily SPF 30, as well as protection from the damaging effects of pollution and blue light. A must-have for indoors and outdoors. That's great. So I'm excited to get that. Yeah, 36 bucks, huh? Wow. Okay. I like it. The next thing is from KO Body Scrubber. Okay, I've seen this in other boxes. Let me find it here. Bonus surprise. Is this it? New product. Okay. So I don't see this anywhere listed. So this might be a bonus surprise item valued at $15. So let's go ahead and take a peek at it. Oh, we've got a gel pack. Make sure that gets in the right place. And here it is. This is like a baby blue, and it's very soft. It's softer than I expected it to be. But you use this for your body. Yeah, I like that. Or you can use it to clean your brushes, your makeup brushes. Okay. So we have that. Interesting product. I've never seen anything quite like that. Oh boy. Next we have from Illamasqua, a Gel Sculpt. This lightweight gel formulation combines a subtle shadow and a cooling sensation in an easy-to-blend formulation. It can be applied sheer or build to a fuller coverage for a more sculpted look. Gel Sculpt can be used alone or over foundation. Okay, a sculpt, so, all right. This is what it looks like. It is in the color Silhouette, which might be that color there. Okay, so this might be like a contour stick. Oh yeah, it is a contour stick. Wait, there we go. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, it does feel cool. Oh my. That's odd. But it looks like that's going to be a really good color for me. Sorry about the sun there. We're having a very summery day here in Oklahoma. So yeah, I think that color is going to work really good for me. Boy, it is cooling. Isn't that interesting? Okay. And let's see what it says about this. So this values for $32. And I did read that create instantly contoured complexion with an Illamasqua Illamasqua Gel Sculpt. It is unique contouring gel that offers subtle definition to cheeks with minimal effort. The water-based formula creates a soft shadow under cheekbones and along the jawline. Very nice. Okay. Oh, this looks like this was the box for this. They were completely separate. So interesting. Okay, so it did come in a box. Next, a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Weightless Mask. Leaves hair shiny, soft, and manageable. It is silicone free. And that's what that looks like. Let me take a peek here. I don't see it. I do not see this product here. So I am going to have to look it up, and I will put what it values for right there. Very good. And then we have, this is by TF Publishing Company. It's Brain Teasers and an Activity Book Bundle. Look at that. I love this kind of stuff. Okay. How do I get it out of the bag? Now this values for $26. So this is Just Be Happy, Puzzles and Activities, and the Ultimate Boredom Buster book. Over 150 pages of crosswords, word searches, coloring, riddles, and word games, journal prompts, and so much more. Challenge your brain, self-reflect, or simply just have a bit of fun. And these are the types of things that you can find inside. Yeah. I do like these kind of books. You know, you're on the road, you're bored. Like the other day, the internet went out. The thing about the internet in my house, not only does it stop you from using the computer, but we stream everything via the internet. So when it's down, I don't get to watch TV. So these will come in handy for those. Yeah, my internet was out for 3 days this week. And then this one is also puzzles and activities. It's just a different kind of book. So you get 2 of them. Just full of stuff. Excellent. I like that. And then this is a multi-use storage duo. Oh. This is by Z Gallery. Get this open. Hold on a second. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, these are cool. Oh, these are ceramic. It has a little film on the top here. It just pulls off. Put your jewelry in. All of the backs of your earrings can go in one of these. Watches, bracelets, hair ties, salt, pepper. And I have 2 of them. And that'll look really cute on a tray. You can use it in any room. Yeah, here's the other one. It's the same. So I have 2 of these. These are pretty. Very pretty. And these are the Z Gallery Multi-Use Storage Duo, and they retail for $45. Keep things organized with this set of stacking canisters. Black is also a great home decor accent and fits perfectly with your statement pieces at home, elevating your whole decor collection. We love the sleek and chic mid-century modern design that adds a touch of glamour to your gorgeous storage. Now these are 4x4, so they're 4 inches across, and it's 2.5 inches high. It is a food safe product. Wash thoroughly before use, ceramic body and metal lid, and they're dishwasher safe. Excellent. I like these. These are cute. So I think FabFitFun has been doing pretty good picking for me since I missed it. Is this the last thing? Okay. This is the last thing in my box. Let me get back. This is the Samara shoulder bag in the color peony. Oh, this retails for $125. Designed to be perfect everyday bag, this shoulder bag has ample room to carry all of your essentials and more. We're fans of this bag because it feels laid back but elevated at the same time. Okay, let's look at it. Figure out how to get it out of the bag. So yeah, that is a nice like blush color, peony. It's a pink, it's a nude kind of thing, so it's a neutral. And it has a long strap. Let's take a look at that. So it has a strap with that kind of adjustment. It's not real leather. You can tell that it's vegan leather. There's no pockets inside at all. So it's just it's a really easy bag to carry if you're just running out to dinner or you're just doing a quick shopping. You just throw your keys, your wallet, and your phone in there, and you look great doing it. So, wow, I think even though I missed the customizations, I think they did a great job choosing for me. I'm very happy with all of this stuff. Just got a weird notice on my phone. So we got the bag, a couple of activity books, a weightless mask for your hair, and we got some SPF 30, and we have a sculpting stick, a contour stick, and we got the little body scrubber. So yeah, I think that FabFitFun did a great job choosing for me. If you're interested in getting a box for yourself, let me know in the comments down below and I will make contact with you. And I'm really glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.